Hi, family detectives. Mission 5, life's big moments. Every life has a few key milestones: being born, getting married, and eventually passing away. In family history, these moments are recorded as civil registration records, birth, marriage, and death certificates, and they are some of the most powerful tools you'll use. And here's why they matter so much. A birth record often gives you a date, a place, and crucially, parents' names, which is how you connect one generation to the next. A marriage record can reveal a maiden name, a father's name and occupation, and sometimes even where a couple was living at the time. A death record can confirm an age, a cause, and sometimes an address or occupation you didn't have before. Put together, these three records can take you from knowing almost nothing about an ancestor to understanding the shape of their entire life. And they often unlock the next generation back, which is how your tree keeps growing. Now, you can find all of these free of charge through FreeBMD in the UK. I will link to my free resources video above. And your mission this week is to choose one family line and try to trace it through a birth, a marriage, and a death record. You don't need all three for the same generation. Even one solid record is a real progress. Now, the details that you find on free BMD, for example, are the details for ordering the birth and marriage and death record, but you don't necessarily have to do that. At least have a look if you can find the maiden name. That will help and things. But there's lots more information in that video. I'd love to know which of these three records gave you the most useful clue. Let me know in the comments. Happy researching.